故事猫商朝大冒险
Story Cat tells Chinese history too. Shang Dynasty adventure Story Cat opened the magic book and took Dumpling Sheep back 3,600 years.
故事猫翻开神秘的历史书，带着水饺羊回到了3600多年前。
Story Cat opened the magic book and took Dumpling Sheep back 3,600 years. They landed in the capital, Yin, and saw many grand houses made of wood and earth.
他们降落在商朝的都城殷，看见许多土木建造的宏伟房屋。
They landed in the capital, Yin, and saw many grand houses made of wood and earth. Dumpling Sheep cried, "Look! Why are people here burning cow bones over a fire?"
水饺羊大喊：“看，这里的人为什么在火上烧牛骨头呢？”
Dumpling Sheep cried, "Look! Why are people here burning cow bones over a fire?" Story Cat explained, "Those are oracle bones. The diviners are telling the future."
故事猫解释：“那是甲骨文，是祭司在占卜未来的吉凶哦。”
Story Cat explained, "Those are oracle bones. The diviners are telling the future." They looked closer and saw the cracks on the bones looked like mysterious characters.
他们凑近一看，发现骨头裂开的痕迹就像一个个神秘的文字。
They looked closer and saw the cracks on the bones looked like mysterious characters. This is the earliest systematic writing in China, recording daily events, said Story Cat.
这是中国最早的系统文字，记录了当时的大小事。故事猫说
This is the earliest systematic writing in China, recording daily events, said Story Cat. Next, they walked into a workshop smelling of metal and saw workers very busy.
接着，他们走进一间充满金属气味的工坊，看见工匠正忙个不停。
Next, they walked into a workshop smelling of metal and saw workers very busy. Workers were pouring hot liquid bronze into clay molds to make a giant ding.
工匠们正将滚烫的青铜一倒入陶模，制作巨大的鼎。
Workers were pouring hot liquid bronze into clay molds to make a giant ding. Dumpling Sheep asked in surprise, "Why is this Hamu ding so heavy?"
水饺羊惊讶地问：“这个后母屋顶怎么这么重呀？”
Dumpling Sheep asked in surprise, "Why is this Hamu ding so heavy?" Story Cat replied, "Shang's bronze technology was world class, and this is a symbol of power."
故事猫回答：“商朝的青铜技术世界第一，这可是权力的象征呢。”
Story Cat replied, "Shang's bronze technology was world class, and this is a symbol of power." In the market, they saw people using shiny shells to trade for food.
他们在市场看到百姓用闪亮的贝壳来交换食物。
In the market, they saw people using shiny shells to trade for food. So shells were the money in ancient times. Dumpling Sheep happily felt his pockets.
原来古代的钱就是贝壳啊！水饺羊开心地摸了摸口袋。
So shells were the money in ancient times. Dumpling Sheep happily felt his pockets. Suddenly, the sound of loud chariots echoed, kicking up clouds of dust.
突然，一阵响亮的战车声传来，激起了滚滚尘土。
Suddenly, the sound of loud chariots echoed, kicking up clouds of dust. It was the brave female general, Lady Fu Hao, leading her army to defend the country.
那是英勇的女将军妇好，正领着军队准备去保卫国家。
It was the brave female general, Lady Fu Hao, leading her army to defend the country. She was not only King Wu Ding's wife but also the greatest commander, Story Cat praised.
她不仅是武丁国王的妻子，还是当时最厉害的统帅哦。故事猫赞叹道
She was not only King Wu Ding's wife but also the greatest commander, Story Cat praised. Dumpling Sheep picked up a small flag and cheered loudly for the gaunt Lady Fu Hao.
水饺羊拿起小旗子，为英子飒爽的妇好大声加油。
Dumpling Sheep picked up a small flag and cheered loudly for the gaunt Lady Fu Hao. They stayed in Shang for a long time and saw people wearing beautiful silk clothes.
他们在商朝待了很久，看见百姓穿着美丽的丝绸衣服。
They stayed in Shang for a long time and saw people wearing beautiful silk clothes. The Shan people loved honoring ancestors and respected the gods, Story Cat added.
商朝人也很喜欢祭祀祖先，对神灵非常尊敬。故事猫补充说
The Shan people loved honoring ancestors and respected the gods, Story Cat added. However, at the end of the dynasty, the last king, Zhou, became very cruel.
然而，到了商朝末年，最后一位国王纣变得非常残暴。
However, at the end of the dynasty, the last king, Zhou, became very cruel. Dumpling Sheep asked sadly, why did he build the luxurious lute and make people suffer?
水饺羊难过地问：为什么他要盖这么奢华的露台，让百姓受苦呢？
Dumpling Sheep asked sadly, why did he build the luxurious lute and make people suffer? He lost the people's hearts, and everyone hoped for a good king. Story Cat sighed.
他失去了民心，大家都希望有一位好国王出现。故事猫叹了口气。
He lost the people's hearts, and everyone hoped for a good king. Story Cat sighed. Soon, the Zhou tribe from the west arrived, led by King Wu of Zhou.
很快地，西方的周部落在周武王的带领下赶过来了。
Soon, the Zhou tribe from the west arrived, led by King Wu of Zhou. The two friends watched the famous Battle of Muai from a distance.
两位好朋友在远处观察著名的牧野之战。
The two friends watched the famous Battle of Muai from a distance. King Zhou's soldiers surrendered their weapons because they didn't want to fight for a tyrant.
商纣王的士兵纷纷放下武器投降，因为他们也不想为暴君战斗。
King Zhou's soldiers surrendered their weapons because they didn't want to fight for a tyrant. The Shang dynasty ended, King Zhou fled, and history turned a new page.
商朝最终结束了，纣王落荒而逃，历史翻开了新的一页。
The Shang dynasty ended, King Zhou fled, and history turned a new page. Though Shang ended, its culture has been passed down until today, Story Cat said emotionally.
虽然商朝结束了，但他们的文化一直流传到现在。故事猫感性地说。
Though Shang ended, its culture has been passed down until today, Story Cat said emotionally. Dumpling Sheep nodded. The oracle bones and bronze ewer are truly amazing.
水饺羊点点头。甲骨文和青铜器真的太了不起了。
Dumpling Sheep nodded. The oracle bones and bronze ewer are truly amazing. The magic book glowed again, ready to take the tired but happy pair home.
魔法树再次发出金光，准备带着疲惫但快乐的两人回家。
The magic book glowed again, ready to take the tired but happy pair home. I'll draw an oracle bone picture for you when we get home, Dumpling Sheep told Story Cat.
回家后我要画一张甲骨文送给你。水饺样兴奋地对故事猫说。
I'll draw an oracle bone picture for you when we get home, Dumpling Sheep told Story Cat. Story Cat closed the book with a smile. Next time, let's visit teacher Confucius in Zhou.
故事猫笑着闭上书。下次我们去周朝拜访孔老师吧。
Story Cat closed the book with a smile. Next time, let's visit teacher Confucius in
夏
Zhou.
商周秦汉三国晋南北朝隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉三国晋南北朝隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉三国晋南北朝